Hello Jim Tech Bros, new products in from Jabra. Finally, it's the Elite 10, Elite 8 Active. Dolby Atmos, Dolby Audio. So we're in for a treat. And that's what these packages look like here. You've got the 8 and 10, nice packaging with the kind of earbuds and that raised up off the package itself. So let's have a look at the side here. So we've got noise levels, two different ones. You've got, we'll start with this, the Elite 10 Jabra Advanced ANC, Adaptive Hybrid ANC, and Adaptive Noise Cancelling. 2 times more noise cancellation with Jabra Advanced ANC compared to the Jabra ANC Standard. On the back, you've got your Hey Google Fast Pair, made for iPhone and Spotify Tap. Jabra Advanced ANC, life-like sound experience with Dolby Atmos and unbeatable all-day comfort. So that's the 10. So we might as well keep going with this and show you this first. And let's see what they look like before we move on to the second pair. And are these going to slide out? Any more tape? There we go. So we've got this here and another piece here. So you open up there, scan here, you get the Jabra app and your sound your way. Pop it open here. Got a nice presentation as expected, and your tip sizes and your quick look at your controls there, which you can probably change in the app anyway. So you get this here and you will get this here. So in here is the tips and earbuds and your little cable. So you've got plenty of tips there. And underneath we have got some booklets. Breaking ground audio while paving the way for net zero. And that's pretty much it in there. So you got your books and stuff in there, and you just hang on to them. We'll pop these back in. And these guys have got 6 mic call technology, 6-hour battery life, IP57, you've multi-point connection as well, your hands-free voice assistant and all that kind of stuff. You've got Bluetooth low energy and LC3 and LC3 plus codec with future firmware updates. So lots of bits going on in there. You've got the Dolby Atmos as well with head tracking, which is pretty cool, and that's pretty much it there with your hair through and your wind noise and all that kind of stuff. So the case kind of got a matte finish, nice, and there's a bit of a grip on it, which is cool. Let's open it up and see. It's a thinner case than usual, and that's them there. Familiar looking shape. You can see some mics there already, and nice finish, and they've got a nice texture on the earbuds themselves. Take off these little guys here, and that's pretty much it there, what they look like. Left and right buttons, which I like, and that's pretty much it. You see our sensors there as well. So it's a nice finish on this as well, which is really nice, and it doesn't come off or anything like that. So that's good to see. It's not your typical plastic housing. It's got this kind of rubberized material here, which will feel nicer in the ears, and it just all looks so sleek together there. And we'll just make sure that's in properly. Ooh. So that's them both back in. Nice snappy case. Yeah, strong enough case there, and or magnet, should I say. Just get these little bits out of the way. So that's the Elite 10. Pop them to one side for now. So next up is the Elite 8 Active, which is the second pair. We'll pop off this here. I do put all these little sticky tags on the side of me arm there, and they still end up on the floor. I tried to save them, but anyway, your dust waterproof earbuds, secure fit with Jabra Shake Grip Adaptive Hybrid ANC. Same stuff here again, fast pair, made for iPhone, but it'll work on Android. Hey Google and Spotify tap. Tested to be the world's toughest earbuds. So these guys have IPA68 rating, crystal clear sound. You've got your Shake Grip Adaptive Hybrid ANC. 6 mics again, you've got 6mm speakers inside, and you've got stable smartwatch connectivity, you've Google Assistant, your Bluetooth multi-point connection. Again, you've got your LE and L3 codecs there, and LC3 Plus. So that's what you've got with these. Okay. And that's what we got in here, pretty much the same thing again. And the same again there. All the same stuff inside again there. So normally when you get your new earbuds at Jabra, you have to do a software update with the app, which I'll expect this will happen. I did prefer the brighter colours in these. These came in a lovely range of colours, kind of browns and creamy colours with the Jabras, which were nice, but you know, it is what it is. We have these, I don't mind. But I'm just kind of liking those new brighter colours. So same stuff again there, your blue cable, blue tips. Like to try and keep all these together. Let's have a look at this. So the case is very similar, if not identical. Blue. Slightly different shape cases from previous ones. And we open up and we've got this here. So we've got this stuff here again. We'll pop that there and we'll pop that there. And these are blue, and this has got a cover over its kind of touch area, or button area if you will. Nice buttons to click on there. Same kind of idea, left and right your tips are in. And there goes my iPhone. Got an LED light there as well up front. Nice snappy case. Pretty nice. And just let's check the magnet strength. Make sure they're in this time. Much better. And that's pretty much it for the 2 new pairs of earbuds from Jabra, which we look forward to testing out. You can see them there in all their glory. So you can see the difference between the two. Both have got this nice coating on them, this rubberized material. The texture on the case is kind of matte finish as well, and it's better, it's not slippy. And same with the earbuds. And we just pull out, say, the left one in each. Give you a closer look at the back. You can see the different setup there. Again, you've got your sensors and all that stuff in your mics. And that's it there. Slightly smaller maybe. We'll find out as we test them anyway. But that's pretty much what they look like. We'll just get them up a little bit closer. And that will be really it for the time being. We'll take them out and test them off. But nice looking earbuds. I do like this idea of this kind of covering on them rather than the plastic that we typically normally see. And that's it for now. So if you have any questions, we'll be testing them out. We're going to have them tested out for about 2 weeks as usual. Do give us a shout in the comments below and we'll gladly answer you. But that's it there for the moment, what they look like both side by side. And we will talk to you soon. So any comments drop below. Stay tuned for more tech, techbuzzard.com. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching and be good, folks.